Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So one of our local brands made here in Vancouver, BC, Canada is called North Beard Supply. It's just two products and it's a beard care line. Now, I know I don't have a beard, so if you think I need to have a beard to speak about these products, then tune out now. Otherwise, we should carry on listening. Anyway, so two products, they're all natural. So there's the oil is made with jojoba, argan, hemp seed oil. Really good for the skin and the facial hair. And then the beard balm is made of beeswax and then a whole bunch of different butters like shea butter, cocoa seed butter, and then a couple others that I can't remember right now. Anyway, so really good for the hair and the beard. It's going to help prevent beard rough, which is basically flakiness in the beard as a result of dry skin. So scent-wise, they're really nice. They smell great. There's on notes of pipe tobacco, coffee beans, and just a little bit of black pepper. So if you like that sort of smell, then these might be the products for you if you have a beard. So anyway, North Beard Supply, check them out, shopmasc.com, beard oil and beard balm. And if you're in Vancouver and you want to come see them here, they are in the store. Thanks for listening.